HIPPO. In the fluid world, heavy industrial fluids, such as petroleum and petrochemical production processes, are indispensable for high temperature, cryogenic, high pressure, corrosion resistance, low torque, high reliability, stable flow, and no chemical changes with fluid substances can be encountered in the key high-performance control valve for fire-safe, explosion resistance in a disaster, and blocking the leakage of harmful gases in the pipeline. This type of high-performance butterfly valve is extremely demanding for the design of the product's mechanical structure itself. The processing accuracy is high, the performance is stable, and the quality is the key factor. HIPPOVALVE Company is a modern IT-driven manufacturer, adopted latest technology, with many years of industrial experience since 1980. Focusing on the development, design, manufacture, sales, and maintenance of industrial valves. The management team began manufacturing low-level butterfly valves in Taipei, Taiwan. Upscale engineering by gathering senior team in Brooklyn, New York. Continuous development afterwards, abandoning the manufacture of low-grade products. The new brand HIPPOVALVE was established in 2014. With the full name of Heavy Industrial Professional Precisely Operating Valve, abbreviated as HIPPOVALVE. Focusing on the manufacture of high performance, high reliability, high value added, built by stainless steel, super duplex, and titanium, for the oil, gas and petrochemical industry. Converting years of accumulated experience to innovations. Connect virtual industrial design and real machining with Internet of Things. Achieving multiple eccentric curve machining by real and virtual integration. Mastering many patents and machining methods. Adopting open source big database, implementing real-time data return and analysis. Even this voice is generated by programming. Winning trust by excellent performance. Since the start of production, we has continued to manufacture valves that oversee with world standards AMD regulations and provide online training courses, special valve and solution integration services, serving heavyweight international groups, including Germany Linde, the world's largest gas engineering company, Braskem, Brazil's largest petrochemical group, Alkaya Terminal, French petroleum storage group, Petronas, Malaysian National Oil Gas Company, Taiwan CCP, China Steel, CTCI Engineering and others. Taking the pride of engineering and technology. Aiming the world's #1 high-performance butterfly valve. HIPPOVALVE reached a turnover of over $100 million within first 3 years. It is continuing to recruit youngs, focusing on innovations, expanding production, and keep all talents growth to protect green earth. We are HIPPOVALVE. In the fluid world.